Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we'll be going through some tips and tricks on how to use your Dustcontrol Aircube 500 H-Class air scrubber to get the best performance on site. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. The Aircube 500 is ideal for containing airborne dust. In rooms up to 25 square metres, it will achieve 10 full air changes per hour. For the rooms up to 40 square metres, it will achieve 6 full air changes an hour. It can be used with ducting for more focused extraction, as well as to create a negative pressure zone. So this unit takes standard 10 amp power. It's got the pre-filter at the front here. Around the back, we've got the on and off, and speed 1, which is low, and speed 2, which is high. And then that is the filter light, which will turn on if it senses that this front pre-filter is blocked. That you can vacuum it out with a vacuum, but it can be removed with 2 side latches. And then that's obviously the HEPA filter, how you get to that. And the pre-filter is just a cloth sheet, so quite easy to remove and replace or clean out when it's dirty. And that holds back on like so. Regularly check the pre-filter. If it appears full or covered, it can be vacuumed. Once the filter appears degraded or fluffy, it will need to be replaced, or you risk clogging up the much more expensive internal HEPA filter, which isn't cleanable. The machine has a light to indicate when the filters are blocked. If after cleaning the pre-filter the light is still on, a new HEPA filter is required. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.